In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to group and ungroup shapes in Draw.io. If you've ever moved a handful of shapes only to have one lag behind or spent time nudging labels and connectors back into place, grouping will save you a ton of effort. It lets you treat multiple items as a single unit so you can move, resize, and duplicate them together, then ungroup whenever you need to fine-tune individual pieces. Start by opening your browser and going to Draw.io, also known as diagrams.net. You can create a new blank diagram or open an existing one. Either way works. Make sure your diagram is visible on the canvas and that you're not editing text inside a shape, because keyboard shortcuts only work when the canvas is active. To group items, first select the shapes you want to keep together. The quickest way is to click on an empty area and drag a selection box around everything you want to include. If the shapes aren't next to each other, hold Shift while clicking each one to add it to your selection. You should see multiple blue selection handles indicating everything is highlighted. With your selection ready, press Ctrl+G on Windows or Linux. On a Mac, press Command+G. You'll notice the group now has one bounding box, so when you drag it, all of the shapes move as one. Resizing also scales the whole group proportionally. Copying and pasting will duplicate the entire set, which is great for repeating sections like headers, legend boxes, or template modules. Many style changes and position adjustments you apply now will affect the grouped items together, helping you keep layouts consistent. When you need to work on a specific shape inside the group, ungrouping is just as simple. Click the grouped object to select it, then press Ctrl+Shift+U on Windows or Linux, or Command+Shift+U on a Mac. The items will separate back into individual shapes so you can edit, restyle, or reconnect them one by one. If you've nested groups inside other groups, you may need to ungroup more than once to fully break everything apart. And remember, you can regroup at any time using the same shortcut you used before. If the shortcuts don't seem to work, click once on the canvas to ensure focus. Check that you have the right object selected, and confirm you're not typing in a text field. That's all there is to it. Now you know how to group and ungroup in Draw.io with quick, reliable shortcuts. Thanks for watching and happy diagramming.